channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem TikTok activity is not shown. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So the basic step is you have to go to the Play Store and make sure TikTok application is updated. Then you have to tap and hold the TikTok application. Then you have to go to the app info button, tap on the storage and cache, clear the cache and check that out if the problem has been solved. If it is not, then you have to clear the storage, but before that make sure you remember the password and username. Still, if it is not working, you have to uninstall and reinstall it. But still that doesn't help. You have to go to the TikTok application, go to your profile section, then tap on the three dot button from the top right corner, go to the settings and privacy. From the third place, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the report problem. So basically you have to take a screenshot of that particular page, so that will be easier to report. So the interface is loading right now. You can see that. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on submit a report. Now there will be an interface where you can easily upload the screenshot as well as write your things like tell us your feedback. You can just write your problem that I am missing the particular feature like the TikTok activities, or you can also report for any other things. If you want, then submit it and just wait for the reply. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.